There is kindness even in the cruelest of people. Do you know real-life examples of unexpected kindness shown by total strangers? Let us know in the comments. This is a short compilation of how people show they care all around the world. Cruel people still see kindness in the world, as woodcutters get shade from trees they're about to cut down. Here are some of the times when people from different parts of the world showed extraordinary kindness to people who really needed it. Welcome back to our channel! Hope you are all well, and head over to our channel for a selection of wholesome videos that will give you a sense of hope and inspire you through tough times. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time we upload videos you may like. Now let's begin. Kindness is the supreme law. What you do to others can come back to you tenfold, like this homeless man in Britain who helped out a student who ran out of money and couldn't go home. He was kind enough to give her £2, which was everything he had. Later, the student was able to raise over £21,000 and donated it to him. People may not look like they care, but they melt at the sight of little tender beings like this cat in the streets and the boy who shakes her hand. There's something sweet and peaceful about this clip. This grocery store offers an assortment of fruit which kids can take for free if parents happen to take them grocery shopping. People say religion perpetuates violence and division, but if we look at what they actually do behind the news cameras, we'll see a different dimension. These are Christians protecting Muslims while at church. On the other hand, these are Muslims protecting a church while service was taking place. This boy streams his games for 10 hours each day to raise money for his dad's cancer treatment. He loves his dad and he loves his game, so nothing will stop him from doing it the entire day. Brothers helping one another achieve something is priceless, just like this older brother who supported his younger brother in the game, literally. These brothers were traveling via motorcycle in Vietnam when the bike broke down and needed roadside assistance. One man offered to help them and pushed the motorcycle for about 3 miles to the nearest mechanic. He even brought them beer at the shop. That is a moment when a passerby turned out to be an angel. This businessman in India lost his son to a road accident caused by an asphalt pothole. In 2015, he started a project to fill up all road potholes around Mumbai to prevent anyone else losing someone to accidents. More than 600 potholes have been filled since. There are facilities kind enough to provide cells for dogs during 4th of July to prevent dogs from getting frightened by the fireworks. These guys opened a lemonade stand where they offered free lemonade for telling them one thing you love about yourself. Such a nice idea to cool down in summer while boosting your self-esteem and getting rewarded for it. The little girl in this clip was so sweet to spoon-feed her grandma while she's bedridden. Kindness knows no age. This woman was reported to the police for shoplifting food from a store. Instead of arresting her, they simply paid the store for the food as she looked hungry and weak. That's what the spirit of law is all about, working it out instead of making someone look guilty. This customer came back to Target the day after she was assisted by a girl who works there. She and the girl had small talk the day before and learned that the girl has a birthday coming up but she'll be at work. The customer came back and handed her a Gloria Jean gift card worth $20 and a hug. She found herself a friend and gave her the chance to have a little something for herself for her birthday. These firemen just rescued a dog who just experienced a car accident. They're comforting the dog like they would to any other person. A student was rumored to be a drug dealer for keeping stuff in his locker and other students coming to him to get something. They had the guy's locker checked and what they found are just food products. It turned out the kid was only making sandwiches for other kids with no lunch. Finally, just when you thought you're all alone and couldn't make it, someone comes to pick you up. Someone who'll walk with you with dignity. Thank you for watching. You have kindness within you. Please share this gift to the world and make a difference for yourself and to those around you. If you like our wholesome videos, please subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment about people you witnessed being kind to another. Thank you. See you next time.